Welcome to Learning Reaper. I'm your host, X.E.L.O. And today we're going to be making a hip hop beat inside of Reaper. Let's go. All right, so here we are in Reaper, and this theme is called Peace. So let's start off. We're going to try to see if we can find a really dope sample. And I want to show you a couple of techniques that you can use to actually get that real boom bap hip hop feel inside your tracks. Let's go. So I did find this piano wave here. I'm going to try to change the tempo of the track. I want a boom bap, so I'm going to try to do, let's say, let's do 80. I haven't done 80 before on here. So this is what the original sample sounds like. I'm going to turn off this match to the tempo. Yeah, so this is what the original sounds like. It looks like it's maybe in the key of C. So what I want to do is find out where I want to loop it at. So, and what I'll do is I'll change this grid to 132. That way it'll be a little bit easier to kind of shrink it down. I'm going to speed up the tempo just so that I can kind of catch the loop. So it's probably right here. Maybe one more. All right, I'm going to get rid of this beginning part because it's like a pretty huge gap in the beginning here. So what I'm going to do is hold shift and kind of drag this in. All right, so now that we have the loop the way we want it, we have a perfect loop here. So now what we want to do is be able to manipulate it by holding Control and Alt. And you see the little hand there, I can drag this in and make it a perfect loop at 4 bars. So now I can set my tempo to whatever I want to. I'm going to set it to, let's do 90 this time. I think 90 should be good. All right, something pretty dark and melodic with the sample. And what we can do is we can add a Ria pitch to this, so we can kind of pitch it up. All right, so I just pitch it up by 5 semitones with the Ria pitch, and this is what it sounds like now. All right, so now you could just actually add like some vinyl touches to it. I'm going to use this vinyl plugin here. And basically what this will do is kind of give it another feel for the sound itself. Let's do it to 1950. And this will give it that nice dark vinyl kind of feel to it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is add some drums on here. I have like a layout for some drums. Let's go with my Boom Bap kit. All right, and these are all complete controls. And you know, I can go down the line. So nice little kit that I put together here. So I want to start off with the hats on here. I'm gonna set a loop point for the 4 bars just to make it a little easier for me. All right, so let's record some hats in. All right, so we just laid down some nice little drums inside the beat itself. We can just work on the bass now, try to get all this put together. So let me chop off this back half here. And we're gonna try to find a bass. All right, so we're gonna run with the Moto bass. Gonna put this above. And we'll actually add a MIDI item for it. All right, so let's see if we can actually add a bass in here. All right, so I was able to choose this studio bass. Is the one I actually chose for it, and this is what it sounds like right now. All right, so this one is almost done. I think I just need like one more element, one more sound to kind of set it all off and make it so you can have a piece for like your hook or a breakdown or something like that. So let's see if we can find something. All right, so I think I found some nice stuff inside of Arcade here. So let's see if we can get this recorded in. All right, and basically you can just process these vocals on here, kind of make them sound a little bit different and kind of change them up. But other than that, I think this is a pretty much complete beat. And I'll just show you how I mixed it, broke it down, and actually organized it or arranged it inside of Reaper. All right, so I was able to mix down the track, lay it out, and arrange the track itself. If you need any mixing or mastering services, I do have them available at xelohh.com. The link should be below in the description as well. But let's get into this mix and I'll let you hear how it all turned out. All right, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know below in the comment section if you want to have more boom bap hip hop type beats inside of Reaper. I can show you a couple more techniques. I'll probably be doing another one for next week. So I'll be trying to drop a video every Thursday on this channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys are liking the videos and watching the videos so you can learn all about Reaper. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, learning Reaper. Till next time. Peace. Hey you, yes you. YouTube wants you to watch this video next, man. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm not gonna keep waiting here. All right, I will see you in the next video though. Peace.